We gotta wake him up. Crash, Crash, wake up, it's magic time.
For kids.
What do you know? It is magic time.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video of Magic Time for Kids. Today I have my assistant Cal. He will be helping me with this trick. So inspect that coin for me. It's a normal coin, right?
Yep, it has Missouri on it.
I'm going to take this coin and I'm going to stick it deep in my hand. It's gone. Stick around for the tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial. So today we're going to be doing the disappearing coin. All you need is a coin and a little bit of tape. There are two ways to do this. You can start with the tape on the back of your hand, which I did in the performance, and they get to inspect the coin. Or you can start with the tape on the coin, and you can show the front and back of your hands. And when you go to put the coin in, try and hide the tape. That's why I like it on the back of the hand. And you're gonna stick your pointer finger inside of your hand, while your thumb is still carrying the coin. You're gonna carry it to the tape, and when you come back out, you're going to bring your thumb back like it came out, and you're gonna show your hands. They're empty. And at the end, you can make the coin reappear if you would like. You stick your finger in, take the coin off the back of your hand, or pull it back, and it's back. Thank you for watching Magic Time for Kids.